if you're too lazy to hold your phone up to your face like me, then you should get this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda here. This is like a neck holder for a cell phone. So you don't even need to do that old school thing about holding the phone up to your face. You can just have it mounted around your neck. Now, I've had something like this before. You may have checked out a video of mine from years ago where it was kind of a plastic contraption and you could put your phone right up in front of your face and watch videos or whatever. And I thought it was a goof, and I just got it on it as a goof, and I actually really liked it because not so much for watching things like laying in bed or on the couch and watching videos without holding up the phone, but it was actually good for filming things without having to, you know, use my hands. So if I wanted to do things, especially when I was in my car, kind of demoing things there, I used it a lot, surprisingly. So I thought, because I broke the last one, because it wasn't exactly super high quality, I might get this one and try it out. Now, what you get here are two pieces. So you get this metal rod. It kind of reminds me of like a lamp neck, like a goose neck here. It's pretty stiff, and I think it's basically wound metal, and then it's kind of wrapped or dipped in this, you know, vinyl plastic. So it's all black. I would call this about, I don't know, I'd call this maybe 4 feet long. So in my case, you can put it around your neck. Now, the ends here have nothing on them, and it's my understanding that, I'm not sure if the magnet is in the mount or down here. I kind of think that there's a magnet in there. They have like these metal tips on the end, and this is the mount for your phone. It's all very soft touch plastic, so it's got that coating on it that makes it feel very velvety. But you can see here that the structure on the back is where those little two posts go in. Now, I think it looks like there are little metal plates on the bottom of these holes. So my guess is that the magnets are here. So if I put this on here, boom, holds that in. That's not coming out. All right. So the cool thing is you can pull this off, so it's kind of easy to remove. It says B-Land on there. Now, we also have a couple of little clamps here, and ooh, the top portion is spring-loaded. So this will come out to hold your phone in. Oh, the little rubber part right up here, while it does have some sticky tape on it, obviously was not super sticky to not fall off. So that's grippy there, a little rubber right there. Now if we take our phone, this is the small iPhone. No problem, enough tension on there. The bigger ones, I don't think are going to be any problem. You can put that in there, and then as that spring kind of gets stretched out, there's even more pressure. So I am just going to go ahead and put this on like this. What the advantage of this one over that plastic one I had before is that I think it's a little longer. Now, I have actually heard of people actually wanting to use this to watch a movie without holding the phone up to their face. And I think you can do that. And what I think you want is it kind of far away, and you need some of this loop up here to create enough leverage, kind of enough structure so that it'll hold it up. You can see here, I'd say the phone is only 10 inches away from my face. Now, that could be okay. You might say, that's exactly where I want it, Pete. And if that's what you want it, then you can have it that way. And this will work. But if you want it further away, then these arms are not going to be long enough for you. Now, I will say this actually has a little weight to it, so if you want it really far away, it might kind of start wearing on you. But this would actually be good. I'm nearsighted, so this works fine for me. It's actually not bad. The cool thing about this is I feel like if you have this, people are going to think that you're watching videos or TV or something all the time. So the key to me with this is I just have to wear it all the time so that people don't know. So whether I'm at work or going grocery shopping or driving a semi or driving Uber, I'm just going to always have this on like it's jewelry. And that way people will be like, I think he's watching a movie. But then they'll see me the next day and they'll be like, no, he can't be because he wears it all the time. I'll be at dinner, whatever. You know what I'm saying? Funerals, bar mitzvahs. I'll just have this on all the time. That way people won't know. And if I am watching a video, then more power to me. And I'll stay entertained and not bored. Hey, if you want to pick this up, it's not that expensive. $25. It's actually more useful than you can know. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter from Panda. Out.